going on 2. 13.7. We want to be 13, so we'll just keep on trucking. Is this us? Yeah. Just in time. C54. All right, on time on it. Bang on time. All of train travel in Japan averaged out, the delays work out at about 24 seconds. Yeah. Including earthquakes. We're wicking up now, boy. We're wicking up. 170. He's quiet. He's 174. He's quiet, and he's quiet. No one's here getting excited, are they? Everyone's just nattering away. No one's making anything of it. Allotments. Japanese allotments, eh? It's an interesting place because it is so different, but not as different as I thought it was 12 years ago. I just thought you'd never manage. Chuck you in the middle of Tokyo and nothing was in English, I'd be snookered. But now, I think we're here, what, 2019? Well, no, you get on here, the best one you were sat on the train and we've got English translations. No bother.
Ladies and gentlemen.
There we go, there's our English. Well, I'm getting the bowing job, I'm getting them, my knees are hurting a bit. And you're so frightened of offending someone. It's hard work, isn't it? Hard work. They don't like using the word no because they don't want to disappoint. It's just in the breathing. So rather than any chance you reckon, cock, we could just do a bit of filming here. Tell you yes, and then the next thing. It's not happening. So you've got to word it in a way, would it be difficult if we were to film here? Yes, so they can say yes then, and then we know where we stand. We know where we stand. Do you get travel sick if you're going backwards? Do you? Do you? I'm not right bothered, to be honest. Yeah, so what they do, yeah, you just turn the seats round. My bloody knees, boy. Only in Japan. Only in Japan, eh?